Just le yu lo ta so kerangi lo ta yu ba yana dingi dun kerangi chidre chiwalam tak yu. Ani kerangi August ki mantra August na la kerala karigari chungidu ani kerangi blessings and guidance karigari du odi ko lai ra ani kerangi ngindung de la kada channel la subscribe ani khalaure kerangi last time reading see you ba ina ani keran so yeta reading na la keran so la karigari tipo de chung so samay de yora dik mun ni chung stere de chung samay de yora so live experience to samay ye comment section la jini share lan share ra ngai de loya thawi ani on the comment section la share okay. For those of you who wants to watch in English language, then your timestamp will be in the description box, so check out there as well. Okay. Ani kalore. Tamo kirangi current energy dara. Kemba dikachera. Kemba disumchidra. Okay. Kirangi current energy ra. Yola tatso current energy. Okay. Ani kirangi kalore health. Kirangi relationship, kirangi career, ani kirala 3 big blessings for August ra. Kirala blessings ra. Kari tu on di kolari. In tangbo kirangi current energy ra, energy cheki ra. Tanda kira energy samlo sarwa kirang kari ro chiki dula na. Okay, kiranzo emotionally pe balance kala desha the samlo tandara emotionally kiranzo pe up pe down pe low high and game yo pe balance kala de dura ina and kiranzo chila budi yo do chi ta chikli re sam budi chime da khari ne sira kiranzo de chila budi do chi dura chige de chuna and chi do di khali ge na samito do de do chi khari thola de chila ra budi ge do chi dura kiranzo ge khari de energy okay and kiranzo la coming energy de kiranzo chola khari yungi tu la ra da the second kalore khari ungidu lanara Queen of Cups leader, Queen of Cups leader, okay, young Koni Kiranzola emotionally run pay the leader, emotional balance, and Kiranzo Kachi to young so the Pugudu, the conceived into you or the Pugudu Chukudu some edit to day or in a Kiranzo Sholo, the energy you the Pugu Korea energy, the Yungidura, and Kiranzo young Kachi the base, so you miss in a place, say what she's such a Yura, the so it's what she should, she's such a Yura on the pay, say what she cock up, it means Kiranzo young, so say what she's at the Taribu, in August Gitawa, in Kiranzo. Togia o tende ge energy ya yungu dura kirangi pe sewa sho chi du chi me kirangi pe sewa tu ya o tende yungu du okay ani kiranzo kaje chi emotional rajik up down shu chi bu chagi wa ina kiranzo ge tanda kiranzo emotional balance dura ani sai na ge ligu di le kiranzo emotional pe balance kala de du la sheira okay okay the kiranzo emotional de chi bu tu ya tanda ine emotional pe balance kala da recently kiranzo yang chi chena dingyo la ya this emotional balance me ya mama bu thugi tik tak to me wa yama ma butu gi ra emotional la da sorwa di yama ta danda kiranzo be balance ya po je to wa do chi ngi durani ti ni kiranzo yungur de be balance ya po je to ya o de tingi dura ani kiranzo be fulu ra da kala ro nyam fulu so da be se wa chia so ni o de su ine la be se wa chia ra o de energy tingi dura okay ani kiranzo ge health ra Tangsho kiranzo ge health la king of wands le health kana kiranzo action pe akol into dura kiranzo inam gunda te amji ge di masa de machia la shege de ta pe abo pang ani khala or di che or de or la chola an kiranzo pe de na ya bo che to ya o de tingi dura ani khaje su pe de o ne yang activity ya po ra su bu trading kala pe samlo ya po ta trading kala chik samlo ya po ta ani duga gi richa chi gora ganzo gi pang ma to ge chi kiran nam gunda nga di nga su bo pe ne ge de nga pang to min du la chi ya da di khari ne sira do yo ine kirangi August nana kirangi pe abo pang an kirangi pe akko khala ore health la rap kirangi pe jona ya bo chi du dura health kala kirangi bad decision yakul into don kiranzo danda badati supola nasa dan kanyi to khari yo ine kiranzo gira de la action len kiranzo la result fruitful result pe apo tingi dura health kala kiranzo symptom du August nana pe precaution yakul tingi du pango sama pang sago sama sa che chime o de kiranzo ita pango de sago de pang chi yora o ni mai bache pe apo tingi dura health kala pe apo don kiranzo wa relationship la okay relationship la kiranzo khala ore o Nine of Swords lesra relationship this six but you khala ore relationship la this kani shu chibuti digi me do sam chi du da kiranzo achila do de relationship da kirangi sula sewa chene on di tsani ta kai kirala do khala jo right to the mai bai ne so so pe du pot tang kale tang ani nga relationship thi ta nga ye kale thi du lai jo nga la kale thang du lai jo de kirangi da 니 쉐디 kirana pe du potang ya to dang on de kirang gets ro shuk chimbuli gi wa yina ani agas ki dawana la kirang on de ge feel chisa mare yo kirana de da ba relationship ki kangi thi de yo na agas na la kirang hlele do cha sar re ani kirang chirdan de ra kirana chirdan ende du relationship ki kirana pe quality gi wa ine kirang chirdan yang kirang relationship bi yakpo su tu ge kirang la bala du da ra ine kirang gi sugi me wa do chi tu da ngai de chagi du la se bo do kyun de ma action do ke ling me wa to ine da kirang gi ra kalore Agas kita ona kirangi action dege de len ani kirangi kare digi mindu dege sama khasa ne lap ko sala lap chi khala action len ko sala le da khare yo na da so ha go ra so kare chi yo o de action dege len an kiran le do cha sa re lan she okay relationship kana kiran ti si chi me wa do si tingi du kiran zo mang che chi dura un de do si tingi du ani khala re da career ra kiran zo chi career la hangman list ra career kana kiran zo gira da tanda ba do ki lega ende do chi che de na sai na ne agas ende do chi che ni ta go do la try sawa che che da ngan tanda ba do ende kyang chi yu ni ya chi lega ya ko shi du du da nge ende do chi che go do che dan kha ga chi che go lai cho o de do chi tingi du ani yang lob chong chi ni de zo ne nga kha so jang ne ang ya bo le do ni do da nge da ang gi ling ye chi do ni jang dan kha ga chi chang go lai cho agas la o de do chi cha gi du ra kiran so jang dan kha ga chi chang go chi che dan kha ga chi che go lai cho da kiran gi da tanda ba do khare chi ne kiran ka ni ti gi wa ni o de che dan ti chi chen chi gi lai cho o de do chi tingi du okay agas la disi gurwa kele sare kirangi lega khare business do ine lega khare ne la gurwa chi kele idea sawa de kele o de ani o de kele de fruitful yakpo ra da kirangi sawa gurwa chi tang de chi ra di pe result yakpo li atu ni dura ani kiranzo la blessings okay kiranzo la blessings na bo justice card list da da ba do kirangi da de ti mas ti ngala chi chune ti mas ti majuna ta da de ne chun ta da sam de de ra kirangi ta o de get sama la justice le da kirango da di ta jun so wa pe ko chung so lai chi yo da o dilli sare yo agas na kirana blessings on the do justice ki card li ra kirana blessings ani kirangi danda ba do live la balance to chi tu mewa ina yang nagas ki da na kirambe balance ya ki tu du la shwe okay ani kala ore two of cups list and kiran so khashi chi relationship la danda ba do chi ya po chi do mi do ngani single yi do something ni na live la ta won ne mi ya po yu kiran la thimbo yu rainbow yu kiran la tak khandi go to some thindi nang chi gi mi kiran gi live na la ligi tu ani kiran so relationship na danda you et do sure ma cham this kale to thi di gi ai ne da agas ki da wa dinala kiran so this chi pa so understanding level ya ga chai chi do pa so go super deep sare love things that rate ya engagement changsa dende na yung sare ra and dende kiran ine da understanding level pet kora ichang re me o de do chi di do okay ani kiran so achi khala ore o di blessings le da and blessings super de khare do yo okay sorry ne di card de look shadra di card look ya mare blessings super di ngazo le cho pa che la okay blessings sumba ya okay three of wands less ra beautiful kiran so ita da khare do chi che de ne o di yerge tang ya kaji chi chi do da yang international level chi ge de wa lega cha ga troya de de ba yo na de de lega cha ga troya chi ge de onlob jon cha ga troya de ba yo na chi ge de onlob jon cha ga troya ko khap ra ya o de ko khap sang bo chi gi du ra kiran so chi du ani khala ore ani kiran so da business ta di chere so gi samesho business level thori tang gi sam gi ine de thori tang tu ya ne sinda da lo chong ro chi ni ne lo sin mang re chang gi de skill mang po sawa ni mang po extra chang gi sam gi ne pe po chang tu ya ra so khang tra da live la next level lagi na o dilani tro thukya gi na blessings lagi do lan share okay kiran la pe kat ning jimoli so ani khalawre ta ani to chire sha ani so la da message tegi ta benging jimo chen ra yo pe rewa ye ani khalawre nyendong de sipala tu chinang ani nyur do che yong bye bye. Okay, so if your Tibetan zodiac sign is rabbit, then this video is for you. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video and give it a like and subscribe to the channel. So your current energy, okay, I'm gonna read your current energy. Your current energy seems very balanced. Okay, you're balanced, there's nothing to worry about your current energy, but it seems like you're waiting for something something to happen or something result. You're waiting for the result or some good news, you're waiting for that, but still you are very peace. Okay, you're very peaceful and you are, your emotional are balanced. Okay, so there's no up and down, you're balanced and you're very peace, but you're waiting for something, it seems like that. And upcoming energy for you is like Queen of Cups, okay? King of Cups and Queen of Cups is coming for your energy. So your energy seems like you are emotionally matured and you are like emotionally balanced, okay? So there's not like emotionally up down, up, down. It's not like that. Your emotional are very balanced and your peace. Okay, so the upcoming energy is like if you're waiting to happen, like you want to conceive a child, then that can also happen in this August. And if you love someone very closely but they are far away from you, then upcoming energy is like you can show them lots of your love. Okay, whatever you're feeling, you can show that feeling towards that person or that thing, that career. This can be your passion, anything, right? You're very passionate, okay, for that thing. That passionate thing energy is coming your way. Okay, and for your health, you are taking very precaution, you are taking very strict diet. Or if you are going through some health issues, then your doctor advise you to don't take this and take this, like lots of advice. You following all of that advice. Okay, so you're very strictly following all the advice, so you are like taking very good care of your health. Okay, and if you're very healthy, still you want to improve your health and you feel like I am not going to take this is not good for me and this is good for me. If you feel like that in diet, you can follow that diet in August. Okay, you are following that very strictly, you are taking lots of actions towards your health. Okay, so for your health it's very good, you are taking very strictly actions towards your health and it's very good. Okay, for your relationship, you are going through a little bit difficulties. I can see their difficulties. Okay, so you are unable to sleep at night, you are taking lots of tensions, anxious, anxiety, or little mild depression. This can be anything. Okay, so you're going through a little bit of difficulties in your relationship. I can see you toward your loved ones. Okay, so this can be your child, your parents, this can be anyone. Okay, so you are taking a little bit of lots of tensions, it seems like that. But in August month you can deal with that tension. Okay, that whatever going in your mind, you can deal with that. Whatever going in your relationship, you can deal with that, and this is going to get better in August month. Okay, so relationship and your career, the hangman is coming for your career. So your career, you will do something differently. Okay, usually you do like this, then you'll feel like, no, this time I will try something else. Okay, so in August month you will try something else, and then you will be very good in that thing, and you feel very satisfied with that thing. Okay, even if you are a student, if you feel like I'm studying a lot but I'm not getting that result, but in this August month you will do like, I will study now. I used to study this way, now I will try this way. Okay, so that I will try different study method. Okay, so then you will see the result. And if you're in a working or in a business and you're not seeing any good result, then you will try something else in this August. Okay, some other way, then you will get the success you wanted. Okay, so you'll feel more satisfied towards your career. Okay, so you have to change the way of doing that thing. Okay, if you're not satisfied with your career, then you have to change the way of doing. Okay, and three big blessings for August month. First is coming justice. If you feel like this is injustice, this should not be happen, and this, if you're feeling like that, then justice is coming your way. So you will for example, if you're working in an office and you work a lot but you are not get that credit for whatever you do, and you feel like I should get that credit. If you're feeling like that, then in this August month you will get that credit, you will get that promotion, or you will get that whatever you wanted. Okay, so this justice is coming your way for the August month. Okay, it's a blessings. And the second blessing is Two of Cups. So if you are single and if you want a very good relationship, then there is a very good chances to meet very good person in this August month. Okay, so you feel more satisfied towards that person and you feel like he is the one or she is the one. Okay, so if you are in a relationship but there was lots of difficulties or there was no any deep understanding, then in this August month you will feel more connected to that your life partner, and you'll feel more deeply connected to that person, and you will feel like understanding more deeply level of understanding. Okay, so this is coming as a blessing. Okay, blessings. And the third blessing is like a Three of Wands. So if you want to expand your business, or if you want to study in abroad, or if you want to work in abroad, if you are trying like that for so long, then this time in this August you will get a good result to go there or to work there, to study abroad, or you are expanding your business, then this can also happen in August as a blessings. You will see the result, the positive result. Okay, whatever whatever you're waiting for, you will see the positive result. Okay, so it's beautiful cards for you, and that's it. So I hope you get your all the messages, whatever you are waiting for, you will get that blessings, that messages. Okay, and that this is it. Thank you for watching. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.